At the age of 50, would you like to become young and energetic as of 35 years? Well, regeneration requires a holistic approach combining nutrient-dense antioxidant-rich foods with a mix of aerobic and strength training exercises to boost cellular repair. The core strategy is to fight inflammation and oxidative stress through diet while maintaining muscle mass and cardiovascular health. You are what you eat and what you exercise for regeneration. It starts from the day you start thinking positively about life and you start changing your food habits. There are a number of foods which can almost stop your aging, but yes, you will have to pack your diet with the vibrant foods loaded with antioxidants, healthy fats, water, and essential nutrients. The day you start thinking positive, the day you start with these foods, the largest organ of your body, the skin, will start showing the changes you are going through. Most often, any internal trouble your body faces, skin is the first organ which indicates the problem. There may be a number of lotions, creams, masks, and serums you can go for. But if you are not fit internally, then there is very less to say about. Here are some of the best regenerating foods to look after and nourish your body for the glow you are looking for. These foods will try to stop the aging process of your body and regeneration will start. Watercress. Watercress is nutritionally dense and is a great source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B1, and vitamin B2. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant which gets rid of free radicals. It keeps wrinkles away from your skin. Adding this leafy green to your salad will help you to attain glowing skin and overall healthy body. It has iodine, which helps in thyroid problems. It boosts immunity and helps in digestion. Papaya. Papaya is cardiotonic, carminative, digestant, anti-constipation, anthelmintic, and antihemorrhoidal. Papaya contains proteins, minerals, vitamins, carotenes, etc. It is a good source of vitamins A, C, K, and E, calcium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Antioxidants and enzyme called papain are found in papaya, which helps in anti-aging. It is a tonic, laxative, digestive, and regenerator. Broccoli. Broccoli provides an awesome array of antioxidants. Broccoli is packed with vitamin C, beta-carotene, indole, glutathione, and lutein. It is also a rich source of trace metal chromium, which is a life extender and protects against sugar problems. Collagen found in broccoli gives skin the strength and elasticity. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins C and A, and iron and potassium. Spinach is valuable in cases of anemia, low vitality, and neuralgia. The versatile leafy green's high vitamin C content enhances collagen production to keep skin firm and smooth. Juice of spinach is rich in number of minerals and organic substances and is good as a cleansing blood tonic. It heals intestinal tract, hemorrhoids, anemia, and vitamin deficiencies. Avocados. Avocados are high in monounsaturated type of fat which resists oxidation. Avocados are high in glutathione, an antioxidant which helps in neutralizing fat in other foods. Avocados are inflammation-fighting fatty acids that promote smooth skin. Carotenoid content present in it helps in blocking toxins and damage from sun's rays. Carrots. A carrot a day keeps wrinkles away. Vitamin A found in carrots helps in maintaining healthy and glowing skin. It promotes skin healing, fights acne, and builds new skin tissues. It helps in keeping your skin moisturized. A combination of vitamin A and beta carotene can work wonders in protecting the skin from harmful effects of free radicals. Beta carotene is carrot's main antioxidant asset. It is a powerhouse in preventing age and disease. Fading eyesight can be recovered by carrots, a real rejuvenator. Amla. Amla is probably the richest known source of vitamin C. It is used in the process of complete rejuvenation of the body. It increases body's resistance against disease. Amla is a remedy for eye weakness and deafness. It is very helpful in constipation, blood impurities, etc. It gives relief in weakness of the nerves and the heart. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines contain omega-3 fatty acids, which keeps the skin thick, supple, and moisturized. Should keep yourself away from refined sugars, processed foods, excessive salt, and saturated fats, which contribute to inflammation. 2 to 3 times of weightlifting helps in counteracting muscle loss and it maintains metabolism. Squats, push ups, and planks build muscle and improve bone health. Should pursue such practices as yoga and Pilates, which helps in detoxifying the body by promoting circulation and reducing cortisol, that is, stress hormones. Sleep repairs and regenerates cells. Chronic stress accelerates aging. Meditation and deep breathing helps in reducing its impact. This is Bright Lifestyle. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.